Join me as I dive into the world of garlic and see if I can unlock all its amazing health benefits in just 1 week. Garlic is one of those ingredients that you probably have sitting in your kitchen right now. It's a humble staple that we often use to add flavor to our meals, but it turns out that it holds some pretty powerful health benefits too. From boosting our immune system to reducing inflammation, garlic is more than just a tasty addition to our cooking. We've all been there, feeling run down, struggling with high cholesterol, or just generally feeling like we're not living our best lives. We often turn to supplements or medication to try and solve these problems, but sometimes the best solutions are right in front of us. Garlic, for example, has been shown to have some amazing properties that can help with all sorts of common health issues. It's a natural remedy that's been used for centuries, and it's something that we can easily incorporate into our daily lives. One of the most impressive things about garlic is its antibacterial properties. It's been shown to be effective against a wide range of bacteria, from the kind that causes food poisoning to the kind that causes the common cold. Garlic also has some amazing heart health. It's been shown to help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, which can significantly reduce our risk of heart disease. And if that's not enough, garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce pain and swelling in our bodies. But what really sets garlic apart is its ability to boost our immune system. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that help to support our immune function, which can help to keep us healthy and prevent illness. Garlic is also a rich source of antioxidants, which can help to protect our cells from damage and reduce our risk of chronic diseases. The active compounds in garlic have been shown to have a positive impact on our overall health, and it's something that we can easily add to our meals to give us an extra boost. One study that really stands out when it comes to garlic is one that was done on its effect on heart health. The study found that participants who consumed garlic regularly had a significant reduction in their cholesterol levels, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. I've also heard some amazing personal anecdotes about garlic's effectiveness, from people who have used it to recover from illness to those who swear by it as a natural remedy for common ailments. Incorporating garlic into our meals can have some pretty significant health benefits. By making it a part of our daily diet, we can boost our immune system, reduce inflammation, and even help to lower our cholesterol levels. So next time you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen, be sure to add a few cloves of garlic to the mix. If you've got a favorite garlic recipe, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips, be sure to check out my next video where we'll be diving into some more amazing foods that can supercharge your health.